Is your Android phone getting slow, lagging, or freezing out of nowhere? You're not alone, and the good news is you don't need any apps to fix it. In this video, I'll show you simple built-in settings tricks that can boost your phone's speed in just a few minutes. Just follow these methods step by step, and your phone will feel much smoother and faster. Method 1. Restart your phone first. We will start with the easiest and most effective method. Press and hold the power button on your phone until a menu appears on the screen. You will see options like power off, restart, and emergency mode. Now tap on restart. If your phone asks for confirmation, tap restart again. Wait until your phone completely turns off and turns back on. Restarting your phone clears temporary RAM usage, stops background apps, and removes small system bugs that may be causing lag. This is like giving your phone a fresh refresh without deleting anything. Method 2. Free up storage space. Now we will fix storage issues, which is one of the biggest reasons for phone lag. First, open the Settings app from your home screen or app drawer. Then scroll down slowly and look for Device Care or Battery and Device Care depending on your Samsung model. Tap on it to open. Now tap on Storage. Here you will see your total storage usage. Next, open the Trash or Recycle Bin option and delete all files permanently. Go back and open Large Files or Large Videos section. Delete unnecessary videos that are taking up space. After that, open Unused Apps section and uninstall apps that you do not use anymore. Then go to Duplicate Files section and manually select repeated photos or files and delete them. When storage becomes full, your phone slows down automatically. Clearing space will immediately improve speed and performance. Method 3. Clear app cache. Now we will remove hidden junk files from apps. Open Settings again, scroll down and tap on Apps. You will see a list of all installed apps. Select heavy apps like Facebook, TikTok, or Instagram. Tap on one app and open Storage option. Now tap on Clear Cache. Repeat the same process for other apps. This removes temporary files that build up over time and slow down app performance while keeping your personal data safe. Method 4. Update system software. System updates are very important for performance improvement. Open Settings again, scroll down and tap on Software Update, then tap on Download and Install. If an update is available, download it and install it completely. After installation, restart your phone. Updates fix bugs, improve performance, and reduce lag issues on your device. Method 5. Turn off animations. This method makes your phone feel much faster instantly. First, open Settings, guys. Scroll down and tap About Phone, then tap Software Information. Find build number and tap it 7 times quickly. Enter your password or PIN when asked. You will see a message that developer mode is enabled. Now go back to Settings. Scroll down and open Developer options. Scroll carefully until you find Animation settings. Set Window Animation Scale to 0.5x or off. Set Transition Animation Scale to 0.5x or off. Set Animator Duration Scale to 0.5x or off. This reduces visual effects and makes your phone feel faster and more responsive. Method 6. Turn off RAM plus Samsung only. If you are using a Samsung phone, this step is very important. Go back to Settings, scroll down and tap Battery and Device Care. Then tap Memory. Now find RAM plus and open it. You will see different options like 2GB, 4GB or higher. Set it to the lowest option or turn it off if available. After that, restart your phone. RAM Plus uses storage as virtual memory, but in many cases it slows down performance instead of improving it. Method 7. Factory Reset. Last option. If your phone is still lagging after trying everything, this is your final option. Before doing this, make sure to back up your important data like photos, contacts, and files because everything will be deleted. Open Settings. Scroll down and tap General Management. Tap Reset, then select Factory Data Reset. Scroll down and tap reset. Enter your password or PIN and confirm by tapping delete all. Your phone will restart and return to factory condition like a brand new device. After setup, install only necessary apps to keep performance smooth. That's it for this video. If these steps helped, your phone should already feel faster. Like, share and subscribe for more simple tech tips. See you in the next one.